Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. Today I'm going to take a look at an Imperial sod buster that I got off Amazon for like under $10. Comes wrapped up in this wax paper. Nice looking knife. And I really don't know what kind of handle material that is, but here's a shield. Brass shield, brass pins, brass pivot, like steel liners or steel back spacers with brass liners. Centering is just a little bit off to one side. No gaps or anything in the back or spaces. Feels pretty smooth. You can feel the edges just a little bit. The pins and the pivot are all pretty flush. You can just barely feel them. Pretty well made. Got a nail neck pull there. I've never seen a knife that had a stop right there before. That is strange. I would say that's a defect. Got kind of like a lazy half stop there. Got pretty nice snap, slip joint. Like a lazy half stop there, but ever seen a knife that stopped like that, slip joint? I haven't. Is that right? Let me know in the comments. I'm not very good at rating pulls, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I don't know, I would say that's maybe a 6 or a 7. Pretty good walk and talk. Got a nice blade shape, like a drop point, flat grind. There's a tank stamp. My first sod buster. Just thought I needed to have one for my collection, and I'm glad I got it. I'm not sure about that weird stop on it though. See how sharp it is. Seems fairly sharp. Definitely could be tuned up a little bit. Definitely gonna have to work on the edge a little bit, but it's not too bad. First impressions is I really like it. It's got a comfortable hand. Fits my hand really well. I got a medium-sized hand. Looks like there's room for a large hand on there easy. It's got a nice shape to it. Got a nice size. I like it. I'm gonna have to get me a junior now. Thanks for watching.